races on Grand Dynasty Lim Shoti. Huy! Tama na. NC Tatara on the further outside. Wajalaising down on the inside. King Manjo. Grand Dynasty by some 2 lengths. Lim Shoti from the outside. Rushing up by the radish. Wajalaising. Huy! Tama na. King Manjo, Tatara alongside. NC is running at the tail of the field by about 6 or 7 lengths of the leader. Grand Dynasty by some 2 lengths. Wajalaising, Lim Shoti. Tatara is racing from the outside. King Manjo is on the further outside. Hoy! Tama na NC as they race the final corner. Grand Dynasty, Wajalaising is on the outside. Lim Shoti, Tatara on the further outside. And nearing the last 100 meters more to run. Grand Dynasty back to 2 lengths lead. Wajalaising in second. NC, Tatara, Lim Shoti, King Manjo. Hoy! Tama na. And finally, Grand Dynasty, NC, Wajalaising, King Manjo, Tatara, Lim Shoti, and Hoy! Tama na.
Okay, crossing the